everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia here, and yeah, long time no see you guys because I don't make a video, right? So yeah, I'm here with a new video for you guys, especially for people who requested something like it's for a continuity for my other video, because last week no, it's not last week, last 2 weeks I did show a tutorial for you guys macam mana nak screen record the whole, like your presentation, or if you're a lecturer, how would you want to record your lecture for your students. So I did it in my previous video, and there is a lot of requests going around from my friend on how to have this desktop. Nampak tak kat sini? I akan letak kat sini. Okay. So what I will do today is that I'm gonna show you guys how to make that desktop, because all you need is just a free application. It's a website like a photo editor, and it's free, no worries about that. And I have some templates that if you guys want it, I can put it in the link down below. Maybe I'll put it in the Google Drive, so you guys can just serve it out, and it's editable, so don't worry. Or maybe I'll just put the Canva link, like anyone who wants to edit, you can just use that there, right? So whatever option that I put, just bear with it. And yeah, so heads up, if you guys are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button down below. We are on our road to 200 subscribers. Let's just hope that we reach 200 subscribers as soon as possible. But yeah, no rush, no rush, right? Like in life, you gotta be patient about things going around, so it's okay. And yeah, in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the desktop template for you guys to organize more on your desktop. So all the stuff's going around, all your files, all your application, we're gonna be very organized. And I guess that's about the intro, right? So let's jump into the video. I'll be in here. I already edit myself in here. I'm gonna be down there, and I'm gonna be down here, and yeah, you guys are gonna look at here or here. I'm not sure where we're gonna see the video, but I'm gonna be in the video, the tutorial video also. So yeah, let's just watch the video, right? Let's go. So hari ni you are with me to edit your wallpaper for desktop. Like you want to organize stuff, you don't want everything's like mess. So as you guys can see dekat desktop I ni kan, so my video would be dekat bawah, so jangan pelik kenapa I tengok ke atas, because I'm literally looking at my laptop. So as you guys can see here, I have recycled this PC at my random stuff, and then this is like very random because I usually put all of my job here, because I also work like freelance editing, something like that. And then this part I have chill. So just for your information, my laptop don't really have that much storage, but I am okay with that. But although despite apa benda yang jadi, I mean like laptop I tak banyak storage ke apa-apa kan, I still have Valorant inside my laptop. So yeah, Valorant is something that I usually play, but as you guys can see, I memang tak reti main pun sebenarnya. Saya saja, jadi macam benda tu memuaskan hati tau kalau kita dapat tembak orang. Like before this I main mobile games, but I tak tahu lah, I rasa macam nak beralih arah, so that's why I try main PC games. And then here, like this is the most used part. And for your information, waktu I edit my desktop wallpaper ni, I never thought that it gonna fit, like cantik je kan dia fitting kat sini kan. So yeah, this is all my study for this semester. So whatever information I have, I'll just paste it inside these files. And yeah, that's about it. And then I also have this routine checklist while I also put this like morning routine, like kalau I macam tak tahu nak buat apa pagi kan. So I have this guideline here, and then I have also upcoming events and then tasks that I need to do. So it keeps reminding me for what I didn't do yet. So yeah, I really love my desktop because it's really organized, and yeah, that's why I love it. So as you guys can see here, we have Google Chrome. I have upcoming presentation lepas ni, but I'm shooting the video first. So the video is very simple. Macam mana you guys nak buat desktop wallpaper ni? First thing first, you're gonna need Canva. Yes, this you can open the Canva. It's a free website, like it's like in-app purchase. Is that a thing? But yeah, so you go to a design. So I have my design ready here. You can just create a design and just presentation, because usually your presentation would fit your whole wallpaper, especially desktop. So you don't have to think much on like the pixel that you need to cover. So yeah, I just take the presentation, and then what you're gonna need to do is that from here you go to Google and then you search for the background first. This is the most important part, because whatever you want to do, you have to, like, you know, the background is very important. So you just search for cute desktop wallpaper, and then there is a bunch of pictures. You will have like this one, all my friends are there. No, my friends are not there, my friends are there. And like that's so much cute. And then we have Rila Kuma here and some stuff. Or if you guys like aesthetics, so you can just go right here and scroll down. This one macam ada vibe what we call anime. And then this one, like, people love it, right? So okay, for example, we go, and then I usually copy image. I never save image to my laptop because I don't like it. So yeah, and then you can just paste right here, Ctrl V. Okay, so when you already paste, what you're gonna need to do, you right click and then you set image as background, and then you have it. So you have the background that you want. So next, what you have to do is I'll show you guys the next step here. So this is my workspace that I edited in the Canva, and then I already have some templates for you. Like if you want to download that, just edit in the link that I will give you guys. And yeah, okay, so we go here, and then I'll just start from scratch. Ctrl V. And when you have the background, if you guys can notice here, this is a very simple thing to do. What you're gonna need to do is that you find the elements, you click on the elements, and then you go to these shapes. And then for these shapes, I usually like this one, like round corner. So you just click on the round corner, so you have this one. But I like it to be more like, I want the background to outshine those boxes. So what I do is that you go to here, click on the transparency, and just move it down like that. So you guys can always choose the color that you want. So kalau ikut kat sini kan, the photo colors, you can just go around and play with the color. So we have the purple color here, or like we can do this too, but I don't like it. So I'm gonna use this purple color, and I'll just put like the layout that I did, this one, and then you just go Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. You have the same transparency, right? But if you don't like the background, you can just go increase the transparency like that, and then you do it multiple times. Here is my routine checklist, and then here's my random quotes. You can just play it, like there is no such restrictions that you need to follow. It's fine. So just don't worry. Then I like it to make the my like this part, as you guys can see. I like it to not same, you know, like this part is equal to this part, so that's why. And then here you can leave one section for you to write like this, your workspace, right? But then okay, we'll just use another method, which I'll put those workspace here. And then kita boleh play around with color macam tu. And then I think I want to change this. So kat sini you have already 1, 2, and then kat sini I think I'm gonna move it up a little bit. This one I'm gonna have it a little bit different, maybe blue, but then kecil sikit the transparency. So yeah, there you go. But this one macam tak best pula. White is, yeah, white is cantik also. So next, what you're gonna need to do is that go to text and add your title for this particular organizer, like what you want to put there. You can use that. So you go to whatever fonts you want to use. So I love Sacramento. So you have important, and then just put the important here. Again, you're gonna do the same thing. So this one is gonna be random, and then here you're gonna put chill, or you can put like, you know, your quote. Chill. So go put when you like it. And last but not least, I have my routine checklist right here. Okay, let's just put it up there. And then there you have it. It's very simple, right? So you got this random section, important section, fill section. I'm sorry for the video recording there. And then you just go click any of this font. Like they have pre effects font. So I suka guna coffee please ni. So when you click on the coffee place, you type your workspace. Workspace, right? And there you have it. You just edit it, and then when you edit, you just put this here, and boleh tukar dia punya color. So kalau nak tukar color kat sini, that's a little bit different. So yeah, I'll use white, and this one I'll use pretty. Okay, cantik. So we have everything's ready, and that's how you're gonna make it. So when you already download everything, you can just put your file and you're gonna be done. And yeah, I guess that's about it. So yeah, we already have done our tutorial for desktop wallpaper. I will make a copy for that particular like that template, so that it's printable and available for everyone. If you guys want to edit it, you just click on the link on the description down below, and I'll give you guys permission to like edit it. It's your lifetime, all right? So yeah, that's how it is. And click on the, don't forget to click on the like button down below, comment if you guys love this tutorial. And yeah, I guess that's it. That's about the video today. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. All right, bye. Thank you for watching.